Text on screen reads Jose Aaron Gomez.
Hi, my name's Josue Aaron Gomez. I'm 19. I was born and raised in Mankato.
Text on screen reads Nikki Wonderlink.
Hello, my name is Nikki Wonderlink. Voting is important because no one will get your opinion out there for you.
Text on screen reads Chloe Nicole.
It can seem intimidating, but it really is very quick and easy.
Josue.
Not knowing where to go or how to do it, so there's just a lot of questions that I had to get answered.
Chloe.
I feel like voting is not only something that we fought for, but something that is the only way we can change things.
Nikki.
No matter whether you have a disability or not, you should vote. It's not that hard. Let your opinion be heard.
A title screen appears with a Mid-Minnesota Legal Aid logo in the corner. Text on screen reads Disability Rights into Adulthood. How to vote. Chloe.
Let's start with the basics. Can I vote if I have a disability or if I have a guardian?
A title screen appears with a text that reads Can I vote? Additional text is read by narrator.
Yes. You must be a U.S. citizen, 18 years old, and a resident of Minnesota for 20 days prior to Election Day. If you have a guardian, you have the right to vote, as long as a judge didn't specifically restrict your right to vote.
Josue.
How do I know what candidates and questions will be on my ballot?
You can see a sample ballot specific to you at the Minnesota Secretary of State's website, mnvotes.org.
Nikki.
How do I cast my ballot?
For your safety during the pandemic, the Minnesota Secretary of State is encouraging everyone to vote early by mail. Request an absentee ballot at mnvotes.org. If you're not yet registered to vote, a voter registration form will be included in your absentee ballot packet.
Josue.
When I get my absentee ballot, what do I do?
Fill it out carefully and be sure to follow all of the instructions.
Nikki.
What if I need help to fill it out?
Someone can help you complete your ballot, but they can't tell you how to vote. Your vote is your own.
Chloe.
And what's next?
Seal your ballot and put it into the large prepaid envelope provided. Then mail it in or drop it off at a county election office. Remember to send it in as early as you can. Absentee ballots must be postmarked by November 3rd.
Josue.
But what if I decide to vote in person?
You have two choices for in-person voting. 1, you can vote early at a county election office. Or 2, you can vote at your designated polling place on Election Day.
Chloe.
Can I register to vote at the same time that I'm casting my ballot?
Yes. Bring proof of residence, and you can register in person at an early voting center. Or you can register at your polling place on Election Day.
Nikki.
What if I need help at the polls?
In Minnesota, all polling places must be accessible and have a voting machine with assistive technology. You can bring another person with you into the voting booth to help you mark your ballot. Remember, they're not allowed to influence your voting choices. Minnesota also has curbside voting. You can send someone inside and have a ballot brought out to your vehicle for you to fill out.
Chloe.
Voting gives everybody a voice to choose representatives that care about the issues that are important to them and make a difference on the issues that they care about. My vote matters, and so does yours. Happy voting!
Josue and Nikki.
Happy voting!
And remember, if you have questions or concerns, we're here to help. Contact the Minnesota Disability Law Center, MDLC, at mndlc.org.
The phone number 1-800-292-4150 appears on screen.
You can also contact the Minnesota Secretary of State's office at mnvotes.org.
A title screen appears with a Mid-Minnesota Legal Aid logo in the center. Text on the screen reads Mid-Minnesota Legal Aid, Minnesota Disability Law Center, Protection and Advocacy System for Minnesota. The Client Assistance Project, CAP.
This video was created for the Minnesota Disability Law Center and the Client Assistance Project of Mid-Minnesota Legal Aid.
Text on screen reads, The Client Assistance Project CAP of MDLC helps people who applied to or are receiving services from Vocational Rehabilitation Services, VRS, or State Services for the Blind, SSB. CAP can help resolve problems with VRS or SSB counselors, represent you in mediation or hearings, give you information about your rights under the law.
MDLC is a nonprofit law firm providing free legal services to anyone with any type of disability throughout the state of Minnesota.